Tonight, we're taking a closer look at a proposed price hike for North Carolina homeowners.
On Friday, Insurance Commissioner Mike Causey announced that the North Carolina Rate Bureau was asking for a steep increase in the price of homeowners insurance across the state. We sent Sean Coffey to catch up with homeowners today on what this proposal would mean to their monthly budget and how this hike could affect you. Sean?
Yeah, Dewan, Bianca, that filing that Causey referenced on Friday asked for an average increase in state homeowners insurance rates of 42.2% statewide. And while negotiations will likely result in a settlement beneath that figure, the homeowners we spoke to earlier were understandably frustrated.
In terms of property tax and insurance, it's definitely increasing a lot.
John Seibert has lived at this home in Raleigh for more than a decade. He says as homeowners, his family expects insurance and utility costs to increase over time, but not at the level proposed Friday.
Realize there's inflation in the economy, right? But 45%'s way beyond, even in an inflationary economy, way high.
That filing from the North Carolina Rate Bureau, which represents insurance companies, includes a proposed 39.8% hike for Wake and Durham counties. If you own a home near the beach, it could be even worse, with a proposed 99.4% increase for beach areas in places like Brunswick and New Hanover counties. John says he's left wondering what's changed in Raleigh to justify the jump.
We haven't had a really large risk like the coast where they have hurricanes or some other type of event to justify that kind of risk. So I always question, like, why are they asking this kind of high increase?
Cody and Danielle Leach bought in Raleigh 4 years ago. Cody says their rates have historically been affordable, but he's been bracing for Friday's announcement.
It's the most lagging effect of inflation. So, like, if it costs more to repair things, you got to charge more for premiums. So it makes sense. It's not ideal. No one likes paying more, but I kind of expected it.
The last time the Rate Bureau filed for increased rates back in November 2020, they asked for 24.5% statewide, and negotiations with the state landed on a figure just shy of 8%. Cody says once that figure's settled on, there's not much recourse homeowners can take in terms of price shopping.
At the end of the day, if it's like truly because it costs more, then you're not going to find a whole lot of savings elsewhere. It's the cost of doing business.
Now, per state law, there will be a public comment session for feedback on these proposed hikes. That's set to take place 2 weeks from tomorrow, January 22nd, between 10 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. here at the Albemarle Building in downtown Raleigh. There will also be a virtual public comment session at the same time. For more on what these proposed hikes would be where you live, you can head over to abc11.com. We're live in Raleigh tonight. Sean Coffey, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.
All right, thanks, Sean. Hopefully people attend those open meetings and voice their concerns.